Welcome, brothers and sisters, to Sicilium. We are omnifamilial, and that means that we are all in one giant family. And so today I'm going to be doing a shamanic meditation, lead you through a shamanic journey. So first, I want you to pause this video and get everything ready. All you're going to need is a spot to lay down, the lights dim or off, perhaps something to rest over your eyes, and if you really want to get into it, crystals. There'll be a video, eventually I'll put the link below, but right now it's not there. There will be a video explaining where these crystals go and why these crystals do what in the shamanic journey specifically, not in general, but just in the journey. So anyway, go ahead and do that. Okay, you're back, you paused, you got your shit together, let's do it. So, I'm just gonna want you to lay down. Put the meditation next to you. Lay down and close your eyes. I want you to relax. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in positivity, breathing out negativity. I want you to start to imagine at the tip of your toes an energy slowly trickling up to your ankles, up your shins to your kneecaps, up your kneecaps all the way up to your hips, spiraling around your chest area up to your shoulders, down to your fingertips, back up to the neck, through the face, to the third eye, to the crown, and do it all over from the tip of the toe again. Just feel that electric energy, that spiritual power running from the tip to the top of the head. Waves of energy running over you. Beautiful waves of indigo energy running through your body, allowing you to feel deeper and sink, feeling gravity weigh upon your physical body. And as you feel gravity weigh upon your physical body, feel the slight disconnect there between spirit and body. Now I need you to focus and imagine on some kind of natural pathway, a cave, some form of doorway, perhaps a tree with a hole on it. Whatever it is, imagine some kind of natural pathway. And I want you to enter this pathway. You may have seen it before, but I want you to enter into this pathway, into this darkness. Now know that you are okay. Even though you watch this video after I've made it, my spirit is imbued here and it will protect you. Walk forward through the cave, lower and lower and lower, until finally you emerge into the lower spirit world. A place of beauty in nature, a place where spiritual animals run free. This is where you will find your lesser spirits, your spirits that will heal you, guide you, and keep you safe. Now I want you to go deeper. Walk through this field to a strange door. Open that door and walk through into a blinding, beautiful light of warmth, peace, and unconditional love. Bask in the love. Feel it running through you, to your fingertips, to your toes, unconditionally, knowing that you are a part of something bigger. You are a part of a family of everything. Allow yourself to feel more than you. You are me. Me and you are we. We are everything. Sit here and experience this feeling. And when you're ready, come on back. Start to kind of feel yourself coming back through that doorway to the lower world, exiting the light into the beautiful nature. This spot will be where you find your spirit animal in a video to come, or perhaps here at my spiritual station. Now come back through the cave, through the natural entrance that you came through before. Come through it, find the room you're in, find your body, and enter again. Be careful to only slowly move your fingertips and slowly move your toes as you enter back into your body, as it can be a jarring experience. And once you have fully come back to your body, sit up slowly, take time to reflect, and write down in a journal what you have just seen, what you've experienced, and what messages you have. This was a very basic shamanic journey with a guided portion and factor. You will be able to do this all by yourself without any kind of guided very soon. Keep following the path of enlightenment. Keep following the path of spirituality and peace. I love you. We love you. Everything is love.